met him at 1 o'clock. You guys have been traveling for a few hours, so it's like 5 o'clock. So we'll say, yeah, you guys just like stop because like sundown's at like 6:30 or so. You guys stop and set up camp. The thing is, like, you guys have basically been following the same stream this whole time because stream goes to lake. Whoa, what is this? Fucking thermodynamics? That's crazy. That is actually thermodynamics, by the way. That's why you'll never see rivers that cross through an entire island unless there's some sort of heat, like some sort of geyser or something in the middle. Anyways, nerd shit aside, yeah, you guys basically just following the same stream. It widens and deepens, you know, just through God, there's a term for this. What was it? It's like more streams join in; they conjoin to like a bigger stream. There's a specific term for this. I don't know what it is, but you guys get what I mean. Like
Merge?
a bunch more streams.
The inverse of a delta.
Merge, yeah.
The inverse of a delta.
Yes. I'm just gonna say merge. Merge sounds 100% correct. So yeah, a bunch of streams merge into the mainstream you guys are following, and it just gets bigger and deeper and stuff like that as more water is in it. Yeah, stop, set up a camp. Just sort of light fires. A hunt, I guess. I don't know. I'm not gonna make you guys roll for it because one of you has Outlander, and that is also the Ranger, so therefore they could get food for like 12 people if they bother trying out.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna bother even rolling for that. We're just gonna move fast.
No, just tell us to start.
You guys have days of rations on you, anyways. It doesn't matter.
Nah, starving.
See, I'll just get food for myself, and the rest of
She goes out and finds the sandwich.
yeah, just a fully made sandwich. Yeah.
So yeah, you guys chill for the night, sit down, etc., etc. And I'm not gonna go through this because it'll just be funnily awkward for all of it. But I will simply put that Medita does test to see if you truly are an open book by asking you a series of BuzzFeed fair questions of sexual preference and trivia.
Oh yeah, no, Dusk will answer totally honestly.
I suppose we found out way too much than we're willing to.
Probably. I don't know. It depends on how much you guys want to know about Dusk.
Do you need to borrow my whip? That's all. That's the only question I have. If the answer is yes, no.
It's terrible. That's
It's
actually
awful,
terrible.
but it's perfect for the situation.
It is, and I sort of hate it. Nonetheless,
Look, the fact that we got this far and nobody has made a sex joke yet, I'm honestly impressed and disappointed at the same time.
what, that you guys have mature fucking? I say mature. I say as the one orchestrating a.
Oh, here comes O. Here comes
This
O's judgment.
situation. Oh yeah, I was already on it.
Tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it.
That or he's saying, like, kind of looks like the Ravager. What?
Oh, the smaller one? Like the green is kind of like prickly, and then it has like a bear head kind of shape.
Oh, this. Oh yeah, I can see that. Yeah.
Hey.
Which is also. He just sneaks it
Side
in there.
note. By the way, just to remind you.
By the way, yeah, just in case. Yeah, I guess you guys are free to ask Medina, and you could try to ask Emmerich anything.
Can I gauge like how much internal suffering he is going through hearing
What?
all this stupid shit?
What? Emmerich?
Yes.
Roll me insight.
Is he used to this at this point, or is he just still like, ah, damn?
Yeah, he seems used to it. He seems like dead into, or desensitized rather, to.
This is unfortunately
Medina's-
common enough.
Yeah, this is like you. This is not the first time Medina has done this, and you don't think it's the last.
Yeah, I think I might ask. So is it just me you talk to like this, or are you this way with all the boys?
Not all the boys,
Jay's
Just
often
the strong and
bringing a
silent
book.
ones,
just the strong silent types,
or just the ones with tails?
and except him. He's. She like gets some of the food she has on her plate, just flings it at him, and just bounces off her helmet. She rolls her eyes.
It's not very nice.
He can take it.
If anything, it's more just a waste of food.
She shrugs.
Did he even react to it? React?
this is probably not the first time stuff has been flung at him.
Yeah.
It's like a high school nerd.
By the way, I can't remember if you said this, but what like race are they? I'm guessing the guy with the helmet we can't tell, but her can. Is
She's
there any
human.
explanation? She's human. Okay.
Provincial human.
I think you're a bit of a bully, Minty.
I could be whatever you want me to be.
I was wondering where the line is.
I like that O's drawing like an entire like thing here. He's just like dry.
Looks like a
I
giant
could be
spider.
whatever you want me to be. I could talk to you. I can help keep your bed warm. You know, just name it.
Well, that sounds nice.
She's
She's on first spot.
She's like drinking water from her like canteen.
I do realize that there's not like private.
Are you okay? So unladylike.
Well, I mean,
I don't think she's exactly aiming to be noble.
Some people have problems overcoming their base needs.
She shrugs and gives like a toothy like smirk. Oh well.
At least she's honest.
true.
Well, my friend, you know what to say about humans. We can resist anything but temptation.
And what am I but temptation
Precisely.
personified?
All right, all right.
So I will succinctly put her proposition to you, Dusk. Hey, do you want some fuck? Square yes, square no.
Do you want some?
Do you want to?
In character, yes.
She doesn't actually fucking hand you a piece of paper that says, "Do you want some fuck?" Otherwise, that would be pretty fucking hilarious, wouldn't it?
Oh my god, yeah.
That'd be great. So I heard a yes.
But yeah, I mean, he's an opportunist. He's not going to say no.
Oh, thank you, Garth. Thank you. That's actually really, really fitting.
Anytime.
Yep. Please let me smash.
Becky,
So-
let me smash.
Uh.
Yeah,
Get ready.
Oh my
report
god.
to the ship.
God.
Report to the ship as soon as possible.
Suppose you want an interview.
Even better. I think we can help each other. I'm a military.
Oh, okay. Let's take a 5-minute break. I'm sorry.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Ready yourselves for the hilarious sexual tension.
Oh
That's on
god.
soup.
Oh no, this is happening.
Just make sure we stay like at least a good way.
Yeah, you want to set up your tent a bit further away?
Yeah. Just have like a good sort of.
I've already been day drinking. Good.
Okay, I'll be right back. I need more toaster waffles for this.
I'll use the rest of it, right?
Oh dear God.
I'm
Right,
gonna set
going
up,
to the-
a tiny hut a bit further away for myself
far-
and
far away.
others that are not. Dusk.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna be gone for a second.
for my ID? You have some fucked up...
I am back, and what the hell is this drawing that you've done? It looks like a hand.
It's a bug.
Connected all the lines.
Ta-da!
Ah, it's like the 0.1, 0.2 thing.
It's T-posing while also wiggling its arms. I hope it's dead.
Some good-ish.
And I'll draw something else.
Draw what you want, man. Just draw what you want.
Yeah. Get one of these, get one of these, get one of these.
You're making a pentagram? Nope.
One of these, one of these.
It's like the SpongeBob, like when he has to write the paper for boating school.
Oh,
and then
that's
he just
making a pentagram. Okay.
And then he just gets a fancy though. Yo, how
I'm
is
really
it?
feeling it.
Hey, dude, careful, dude. If you keep doing that, Full Metal Alchemist, your father's gonna fucking transmute the fucking Meyer Veil, dude.
Shit.
I want to be no part of no fucking Philosophos, Stone.
Well, at least then we got everyone on the same page.
I'm the first thing I made contact with when I walked in the door there. First thing I saw when I walked in the door was a bloody pen. So, I'm just like, this is what I'm calling it.
Sometimes, just, don't hate.
Yeah.
Hey, pentagrams are pentagrams they actually have like good uses? They're not just like fully satanic and stuff.
Yeah, so does a swastika.
Touche.
It depends on who's talking about them. Getting a little more bean water. I gotta sit.
And I'm back.
Hello.
Welcome back.
Man, I forgot how good Stuart Chatwood's music is.
Fantastic.
I don't know if he's on like Jeremy Soule level, but he's up there.
The thing is, I feel like they both specialize in like different things, like different genres.
Yeah, true. The Color
also
of Madness. Dude, the Color of Madness was fantastic.
Said the other day, didn't we?
Perhaps he is confirmed. Him and Wayne June are both coming back for 2.
Hell yeah, dude.
Which is basically all I needed to know.
I want them to put in like some sort of like freezing mechanic or something. Like some reason to have torches and stuff to keep warm.
Oh yeah, that'd be interesting. Well, yeah, that makes sense given the the setting. I'd be surprised if it wasn't. Just, add in cannibalism. Just really go all in.
Oh, that would be cool. Like a replacement for the bandits would be like a tribe of cannibals.
I mean, it's mountain people.
Yeah, I think it's fair.
I've returned.
Hello.
Welcome back.
Do you have your toaster waffles?
Got your bean juice?
Toaster waffles in hand, bean juice, and Golden State cider. What's the ABV on this? 6.9.
Hey.
You said a lot of things. I only understood some of it.
Toast waffle.
Was I cutting out or what?
No, I'm just too stupid to understand.
Oh, it's just I got booze, coffee, and waffles.
Fair enough.
Yo, I heard
mean-
oh, sorry, go ahead.
Oh, God.
Alright, anyways, I heard in Ireland have well, I guess like a lot of European countries, it's like super common to have like caffeinated wine or like
It's like a Four Loko.
chocolate liquor.
I don't like chocolate.
Yeah, there's.
I honestly don't.
I mean, there's this really good wine that's got chocolate in it that I quite like, but.
You see-
That.
Pull up the brand of it because someone posted like
Julie's, Kahlua.
Mm.
caffeinated.
Oh yeah, Kahlua. Yeah.
It's
So
really
I
good with
just-
coffee.
I just can't. Like, the contrast of, like, the bitterness of alcohol and chocolate, like, I don't know. It
Doesn't blend on your palate.
Mm.
No.
I mean, to be fair, the one that I have, it's not that chocolatey. It's just that there's sort of a sweet kind of undertone in it, I suppose.
Mm.
It's quite nice. But, I mean, that's just me kind of going, oh, look at me, I lost wine. But, just
Yeah. You need to put your
Yeah.
access to alcohol on us.
Yeah. I mean, I don't really have any at the minute, so I'm kind of
Having
juiced,
some
but...
of the rice wine that I made for myself.
Mm. Ooh.
Tastes kind of like
fancy.
unfiltered.
What, sorry?
Tastes kind of like unfiltered sake.
Oh,
Okay. Okay. You ever had Mokli? Mokli?
okay.
No.
It's like a rice. I think it's also rice wine as well. You have to like switch it around and like spin it, like centrifugal force it, so that like because it has like I guess the particles of the rice or whatever that will get stuck at the bottom,
Oh yeah.
and then you have to like switch it around and actually like get it like evenly distributed. But it's really nice and it's super smooth. Like
Yeah,
super
that sounds. Yeah, I've had something similar to that.
I wish I had a bottle right now. Damn. Instead, I'm just here with my monster.
Yeah.
What the fuck is typing in the chat?
The chat is just
Like to see?
Don't.
it's
worry
a
about it.
Oh,
wretched.
voice is short.
Yeah. I could.
Oh my god.
It's wretched.
Just,
I mean, that is
Direction.
how two creatures that fertilize eggs would react, right?
I mean, technically, yes, I suppose.
Crash, do Dragonborn fertilize eggs or do they do sex?
No, they do sex.
Do they do the sex?
Do they do a sex? I'm mentally 12, yes.
What
We're
is
all
like
mentally 12.
like sharks, where it's like sort of both?
Oh my god.
That's all it is for
I was
sharks.
hoping you would go with salmon, and it's just like, lay the eggs and just spray. Just shotgun
I
blast
mean,
approach, just hit all of them.
That's all humans do, it's just internal.
I know this. I've heard of the second one, Brad.
Yeah, why do you think the ocean is so salty? Whales.
Oh my god. That
Oh, that's
was
like
the
a joke
worst
from
one so
secondary.
far.
That is atrocious. Anyway, let's get
Yeah,
back to it.
they do shoot out gallons of semen. That's a fact. Anyway,
Gallons.
Yeah. So speaking of gallons of semen,
Jesus,
God.
Lord.
That's like the old school joke where you don't drink water
When
because
you're a devil, you produce semen equivalent to a sperm whale.
gallons, that's
this
just
is-
disgusting.
this is.
You
today's
brought
going
this
by-
on yourself.
This is going by
Oh.
roughly how I was expecting what I put this encounter in.
That derailed quite fast.
Mhm. Anyways,
So I'm gonna set my boulder up, and
yeah.
it's gonna be for those who are not having fun.
So I guess you and Medina got to set up further away. And you can't be inside the 10... It's a 10-foot radius?
We're in the middle of a forest. There is no privacy. Sucks for you guys.
Just go to the other side of the stream.
Lehman's done it. You have to be close enough in case something lethal happens.
Well, the stream's not that big. It's like 2 meters. So that's like, what, 6 feet?
Yeah, I just thought about this. It's kind of like maybe a something we didn't think about. Can Brongar fit in that?
Who?
It says medium size or smaller, so no, it can't.
Well, just ignore last night then, and how you would have.
Yeah, very nice of those ghosts to not murder him.
Oh yeah.
We'll just pretend like he's like wrapped up and like you're like he occupies like 4 spaces and you're in the middle of it or something. I don't know, man. So, anyways, about the gift there, the bird, or Commander Shepard, depending on which, I don't know which one you want.
Whatever generates your Mass Effect field.
I'm done.
Oh my god.
That is cursed.
This entire part is just gonna be this break and nothing.